deep insight into the topic and also reveal some interesting facts. The point where he told us about the modeling and analysis of suspension systems were really informative. I am pretty sure the precious knowledge he gave us will definitely help us in our study and future. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So the other professors are available here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I think we have the 25 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Taide sir is also there. So we let's start with the just Taide sir and Bhagwat sir. Hello.
Actually, I wanted
Okay, sir.
to speak something to the. I want to talk to the participants.
Okay.
Will you please allow me 1 minute?
Yeah. You allow sir. I think what I feel to start with some feedback and then we
Yeah.
finish after the
Okay.
feedback.
Then it's okay. Okay.
Okay, you can say in the feedback also. Okay, so we here our head of the department, Dr. Raju Taide is present, and also Dr. Arav Bhagwat from the mechanical department both are. So with sir permission, I just start. We have ended here our faculty development program on electric vehicle. Uh, Sir, anyone can you put on the WhatsApp group that the feedback system is going on? So please present here. Someone, please put the message. Kaunde sir, Vasankar sir.
So what we have to put, sir?
They just put that. Please join the feedback session is going on.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So, sir, actually, dear all professors and research scholar, when I thought that I have to take this program, and when I submitted to the Atal, actually my aim to take the FDP on recent advances in automotive technology. Sir, actually that feedback is separate. We are taking about something about our program in online in this session. So actually that is not possible because there are some restrictions on the what we can say that first area on Atal. If you see that, so I have to put there the name that is electric vehicles. So but still what I thought we should cover the all topics because now everyone is saying about only the introduction part of the electric vehicle. And you can trust me that I tried so many. Hello, Dinesh Kumar sir. Hello, please mute your mic. Hello. What should I do?
Vijay sir, better if you mute from your side.
Only I can do.
Yes, I think the authority is with the host, I guess.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir. So you can trust me that I have tried very much on to connect. My video is not showing on. Yeah. To connect the people of the industries, but there may be some restrictions on that industries people to share their work with us. But I tried my best able for the speakers that I arrange in this program. And from last 5 days, you can see that the continuous work is going on. So I give full best, tried to give the best from my side. for the speaker for the all these things. So thank you very much for last 5 days you with me, and maybe if some of you are interested in any one of the topic from this program, you can go with ahead for your research. Actually, this is what the motivation what I have got from the when I was a, yeah, teacher in various colleges and attended the various programs and IITs and NITs. I'm very much interested because I'm searching in somewhat area where I can work for my PhD, for my research, and I got something from that Jadavpur University and I started work. So like that, you just search out something like that. So thank you very much from attended this program, for accepted my invitation. Thank you, sir. From this is my side. Now I open to forum to the all my professors and the research scholar. Give some feedback so that after that we can start the exam.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
सर डायरेक्टर सर बिल सर कॉल आला होता. 4 वाजता मीटिंगला बोलवलं, हजर राहावंच लागेल म्हणजे आता 4 वाजता.
ठीक आहे.
डायरेक्ट मीटिंग आहे म्हणे. काय करायचं?
कोणाची आहे? आपली आहे.
ओके ओके. मग मी तिकडे जाऊ का मग मीटिंगला?
ओके ओके ओके. यू गो सर.
ओके.
Okay, Taide sir, you want to say something?
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, participants. Okay, and dear sir, thanks for giving me opportunity to express the views about this program. So first of all, on behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department, I welcome and congratulate all the participants who have actively participated in this AICTE sponsored 1 week faculty development program named as electric vehicle. Okay, so as all of you are well aware that the technology has been changing very rapidly, and there is a need to keep ourselves updated to cope up with this changing technology. So the FDP plans it plays a very important role in understanding the new methods, skills, and techniques. So the motive behind organizing this faculty development program was to improve the knowledge and the skill of the faculty, and also to keep the faculty updated with the recent trends in technological advancements. Okay, so our highly motivated and inspired faculty member, Dr. Vijay Baratia, has taken an initiative. Okay, and he organized the program for you people, for as well as me also. Okay, and he took a lot of effort. I know that a lot of effort needs to be taken for organizing these such type of program, because you have to every time communicate with the AIST, okay, and take the various approvals from that, okay, so financial approval, everything. So a lot of things are there. So he took a lot of effort for making this program successful, okay, because as you know, the event like this cannot happen overnight. So I think the right from the planning and getting various approvals, arranging eminent speakers from academia as well as from industry, definitely it needs a lot of brainstorming. So he took that responsibility on his shoulder and completed the task successfully as well. So as per my speculation, the success of such programs depend on the two factors. So one is the active participants like you people, and planning and presentation skill of the program coordinator. Okay, so that I saw it over here nicely, because I right from the beginning I attended this program. And the second important factor is about the subject experts also. So I'm proud to say that fortunately we got highly knowledgeable, qualified and experienced speakers for this program. And as just now Professor Dr. Baretier said that he took a lot of efforts to bring the people from the industry. But as everybody knows that in this situation now, this is an electric vehicle. It's a very new topic, and everybody is running after that, because and nobody wants to share the knowledge, because this is again a matter of secret. So that's why he couldn't get the faculties, most of the faculties which he was assuming to get it from the industry. So that's why, but still he tried to get, and still we got very good people. One from NIT. Okay, so yesterday's night, because I attended his lecture very nicely. Today also, today's pronunciation was also very good. So he tried on his level best, and very nicely he arranged the program. Okay, I found each and every session was very informative. The honorable speakers not only share their knowledge but also experience, and that's why these sessions were live and interesting. Okay, so I participate. So I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all the speakers, all the participants, and the program coordinator, Dr. Bharatiya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for encouraging us, and thank you the nice words for me. Thank you, sir.
Vijay sir,
Plastic, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Only, sir.
Can I give a vote of
can I
thanks
speak?
after that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, Gawande sir is going to speak. Something.
Yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is the second time that I'm attending FDP with at VJTI. Last year also I had attended the FDP on automobile engineering, and you were the coordinator. The best thing that I found is that the prominent speakers that you bring from the industries and from the research centers. So thank you so much for enlightening our knowledge. And many of us are going through this online teaching and learning process from the last 5-6 months. So we know what are the barriers that we are facing while taking an online and arranging on such a big platform. Obviously, it's a appreciable thing. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. 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 Good afternoon.
Sir,
I am here.
anyone want to say, sir?
Yes, sir. This is Professor
Yeah,
D.V.
yeah.
Jadhav from Bharati Vidyapit, sir.
Sir,
audible?
please switch on your video, sir. Jadhav, sir.
Actually, I'm on the laptop, desktop.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I want to thank Professor Vijay sir for giving us the opportunity to attend such a good FDP. A lot of good, whatever may be the speakers you are available, they have given their 100%. And the knowledge what they have shared will be very useful for us, because my students are doing the projects on the electric vehicle itself. So what are the different norms and rules and all these things, and the retrofitting, the new business which is there for all the people. Okay, so such kind of opportunities you have provided us. You have provided us the good people from the AREI who are the finalizing authority for such kind of business opportunities to the education system also. So on behalf of Bharati Vidyapit, I want to thank VJTI and for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this electric vehicle FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for nice words. So,
Yeah, good afternoon.
sir, Rote sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay. Rote sir. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. And I am here to present the vote of thanks for this weekly faculty development program, electric vehicle. I would like to thank all the speakers, Professor Gulshi, IIT Delhi,
Sir,
Mr.
please switch on.
Sanjay Niband. Sir. Yes, sir.
Please switch on your video.
Okay. Mr. Sanjay Niband, sir, Deputy Director, ARI Pune, Dr. K.C. Ora, Senior Deputy Director, ARI Pune, Mr. Abhishek Tatkire, Scientist of DRDO, Ahmednagar, Professor Gautam Purohit, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, Dr. C.L. Gamjani, Permanent Director, VRD, DRDO, Dr. Prajok, Assistant Professor of NIT Karnataka, Dr. V.V. Sudavanshi, Assistant Professor of VJTI Mumbai, Dr. Sudhakar Umare, Head Mechanical Engineering Department, SP College Mumbai, Dr. S.P. Sardar, Assistant Professor, VJTI Mumbai, Mr. Akshay Mastood, Design Consultant and Mentor at Polar LLC, UAE, Abu Dhabi, and Dr. Vijay Bharatiya, VJTI Mumbai, for enlightening us with their knowledge. All lectures delivered by the speaker were full of knowledge and interesting things. It gave us deep insight into the topic and also revealed some interesting facts. The points where all speakers told us about the electric vehicle were really informative. I am pretty sure the precious knowledge that all speakers gave us will definitely help us in our studies and future. So at the conclusion of this FDP, electric vehicles, now we are familiar with the history and trends of electric vehicles. Now we know the various types of electric vehicles. We have understood the pros and cons of electric vehicles, and we also appreciate electric vehicles' role in helping us achieve sustainable transportation. Once again, I would like to thank all speakers for taking out time from their busy schedule and enlightening us with the knowledge. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank our director, Dr. Patel sir, for giving permission to organizing this lecture session and inviting all speakers to conduct it. I want to thank Dr. Vijay Bharatiya, who really worked hard to make this event successful. Also, thanks you to all the participants, research scholars, and professors present here for paying your attention and learning. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhagwat sir, for your nice vote of thanks. Thank you. Thank you, all of you, for this session. Just give me 2 minutes. I will put first the attendance link and then we'll put the test link. In the test link, there are 20 questions. Each questions carry 2 marks. So out of there are 40 marks. We need minimum 60% massing. So hope all of are intelligent, very good. So they will get good marks. Don't worry about that. And the second thing is that after submission, after submitted that link, in the evening maybe or maybe tomorrow morning, I will update all the attendance here on the website and your marks. So these two things are important from my side. So when I will put your attendance, when I will put your marks, then from your side you will have to give the feedbacks, online feedback, and then after that you can download the certificate. That what I have seen from the AICT Atal program, orientation program, they said like that. So I will do from my side maybe today or the tomorrow morning, and after that you can download. Till that, please wait till tomorrow morning. Okay, I will try to update.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. I am just putting the link in a 1 minute. Oh, please wait. Please fill the attendance of last session. After 2 minutes, I will submit. Sorry, at sharp 3:30, I will put the link for the test exam.
Hello, sir. How much time will we get for that examination?
Half an hour, but you can complete, I think, within 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello? Hello? Huh?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
हाँ बोला सर, कदम सर.
लिंक भेटली सर. टेस्टची लिंक भेटली.
हो हो, प्लीज स्टार्ट.
ठीक आहे. थँक्यू सर.
68 people sound there. 71 people are join here. But I will say that I will check the attendance, and accordingly I will put their attendance, and if the attendance is not good, then I am sorry, they will not get their certificate. The test might be easy, I think, correct?
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
Yeah, it should be. Those submitted can leave the meeting. Thank you very much. But please ensure that you have submitted. You got like what you got, sir, after the response recorded? Anyone may be submitted. 48 responses I got. No, that is attendance actually. Sorry. Only 2 responses. Wow, very nice.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, please send test link, sir. Due to network problem, I have disconnected.
Yeah,
Just now.
again I am putting here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Send it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sir, please mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. I have submitted that test.
Yeah.
Thank you very much,
Okay.
sir, for this wonderful FTP, sir. And sir, I request you to take additional session for that simulation, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Done, sir. Can we leave, sir?
Yes, sir. You can leave. Thank you.
Can I leave, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. There is a 4 o'clock meeting, sir. Director meeting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please join.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, submitted the test. Can I leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello. Rupesh, sir. Oscar, sir. Hello. Hello.
submitted the response. Can we leave?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Have you joined? You are in the meet. Praveen Kumar, sir, are you here? Hello. Sir, please submit the responses. I got 55 only. Sir, those are submitted, please leave so that I can understand how many are there. Hello. 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 Sir, please, those submitted, leave the meeting. Sir, if nobody is responding, then at 4 p.m. I will stop the responding responses. Anyone is here who did not submitted? Hello.
Sir, I did not submit it, sir. Sir, how much time left, sir?
Sir, 1 or 2 minutes. Sir, I am going to stop the responses. Anyone is here? Anyone present is here now? 18 people are showing. Anyone is here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Dinesh Kumar. Yes, Mr. Dinesh Kumar. Deepak Kakade. Mahesh Gaikwad. Hello. Hello. Chakravarti sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I did not submit it, sir.
Yeah. These guys are not responding. Umesh Patil, Swapnil Piledar, Suraj Patil, Shiva Nayak. I think they are not there.